Hey.
Hi.
Come on
Oh
in.
my gosh, how adorable.
So don't you love, you're in the living room space and you've got the 2 bedrooms right there, and then you've got your bathroom with the double vanities. I think that's a great touch. So I think this would make a great investment opportunity as well. Since you're from the area, can you tell us a little bit what you can get for a long-term rental?
Sure, yeah. The average in this area is probably around $1,200 to $1,400 a month. So it's actually a great area to rent in.
Yeah.
And they have highly ranked school systems, so everybody loves this area.
So this is bringing back memory lane for me because I actually grew up around here myself. So thank you for filling me in with what's been going on in the area.
You're welcome.
Yeah, so tell me a little bit. So Aurora Farms is still here, right?
Yes, it's actually grown quite a bit since you've been here, so
That's so
there's
cool.
a lot more stores.
And is there still a fishing spot right down the street?
There is. It's a cute little fishing spot, and actually you get access to that with this neighborhood. Yes, you can be a part of the little association, and you can have picnics up there. You can watch your boat come up there. Very cute.
So Heather, I have a couple of little surprises for you.
Tell me.
All right, so not only was this home built by the Amish, they are actually willing to build an additional carport if someone wanted to roll that on top of their mortgage.
That would be awesome.
Yeah, and on top of that, this house actually sits on a double lot. So beyond this fence is actually more land that's included with this purchase. You can either keep it or sell it and reimburse yourself with your down payment. And there you have it. So Aurora used to be our home, and now this one can be yours.